Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. If this is your first time hearing my voice, hi, how you doing? Thank you so much for joining me. And if you're a returning subscriber or a viewer, if you are a viewer, what will it take for you to click on that subscribe button? Talk to me. Thank you so much once again for joining me today. I hope we are all doing well. Now, from the title today, I'm going to be talking about the latest addition to or in my skincare routine, and this is the Xpel Beauty Tea Tree Cleansing Pads. I picked this up in the supermarket the other day, and hey, why not review it on my channel? Now, if you want to know what I think about this, how it works, how it has worked for my skin, and you know what, ingredients and all that good stuff, then keep on watching. Okay, let's talk about the packaging. This is a translucent green jar with an opaque green cover. It shows you the content. Obviously, it's translucent, so hey. So it has tea tree cleansing pads written on it. This has a foam seal. Like when you unscrew the cap, the sealant of the jar is a foam seal. And I really was expecting something similar to this because it's a liquid, or they're cotton pads soaked in the cleansing solution. So yes, you need something that would hold in that moisture. So this is not something that you forget to seal. Like every time you take a pad or two, you have to seal this product. Now the ingredients have fairly standard toner ingredients. I think it's paraben free. If you can pause and just have a look at the ingredients, although it doesn't say it's vegan, but I don't see any parabens. Let me know if you do, but hey, the tea tree essential oil and the peppermint extract are all I'm after. It has a lot number and expiry date at the bottom, so make sure you have a look at that before you buy it. I know there are a lot of expired products moving all around the country, so just be careful. Now, the individual pads are very thin and embossed. I feel that it gives you a better grip, textured grip on the skin, especially for cleansing. And because of how thin it is, I would advise that you take a pad or two to cleanse your skin. Now, today I'm using the cleanser, obviously, on my face. This was literally the first time I used it, and I had to take two pads because I realized that one pad was too thin. So taking two pads out of the jar, and definitely remember to put that seal back because it will just help, the longevity. Sorry, it will just help with, keeping the product fresh and keeping the moisture in, and just making sure that it doesn't evaporate, because this is, like I said, just literally a cleanser soaked with or in cotton pads and packaged for easy travel. And it's just convenient on the go. You can just throw this into your bag and you don't have to worry about taking your cotton pad separately and taking a cleanser separately. So the consistency of the cleanser itself is actually very soothing. It didn't smart, it didn't tingle. It was a very easy solution to apply on my face, and my face is going through a lot right now. If you're new here, just know that I do a lot, or I review a lot of things, or I use a lot of products. I try out products all the time on my face, on my body. If it's something that catches my fancy, I'm definitely going to try it. So right now I'm dealing with a whole lot of hormonal acne. This month came with a whole lot of baggage, and at the same time I changed my cleanser. I will have that video up soon. I'm still trying out just to get my general thoughts about it. So I'm dealing with a whole lot of hormonal acne. So these cleansing pads weren't bad to use. I mean, this is something I see myself reaching for in the mornings, especially when I'm running late and I don't have the time to pick my cleanser, pick or look for where I've thrown my cotton pads, and just have a very good cleanse on the go. It's a yes for me so far. No reactions, no allergic reactions, nothing of sorts. So if this is something that you'd be willing to try, then let me know in the comment section. If it's something you've used or you've used a similar product, I'd like to know. This is fairly new to me. Obviously, makeup wipes and all that have this same kind of concept. They're more or less like a wet pad, a packaged wet pad. But this is my first time using an actual essential oil, or an actual essential oil cleanser or toner on my skin, pre-packaged. That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.